Pilipinas, are you ready for the grand coronation night of Miss Universe Philippines 2025?
Now 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe.
This is Miss Universe Philippines 2025 Top 10 highest ranking in the most reacted photos in Pina Beauty. Number 10, Camarines Sur, 1,400 reactions. Camarines Sur's beauty queen showcases a mix of grace and charm, earning her a solid spot in the top 10. At number 9, Iloilo City, 1,500 reactions. The City of Love brings another showstopper with Iloilo's candidate gaining strong admiration. At number 8 spot, Pampanga, 1,600 reactions. Known for its strong contenders, Pampanga continues to make an impact with another stunning representative. Number 7, Taguig, 2,500 reactions. Taguig's beauty queen stands out with her modern and fierce aura, winning the hearts of many. And number 6 spot, Oriental Mindoro, 3,600 reactions. With her fresh and radiant look, Oriental Mindoro's candidate is receiving massive love from supporters. Number 5, Sultan Kudarat, 4,300 reactions. Sultan Kudarat's bet is making waves, impressing with her beauty and undeniable charisma. At number 4, Muntinlupa, 5,900 reactions. Muntinlupa's contender is a definite crown favorite, exuding sophistication and confidence. Number 3, Siargao, 5,300 reactions. A true island beauty, Siargao's representative shines with her natural charm and captivating presence. Another number 3 spot, Isabela, with 5,300 reactions. Isabella's representative is a true head-turner, captivating fans with her elegance and timeless beauty. Her strong presence makes her a standout in the competition. At number 2 spot, Sinuloan, Laguna, 7,000 reactions. This beauty from Sinuloan, Laguna has captured the hearts of many, showcasing elegance and grace. And our number 1 on the list, Quezon Province, 15,000 reactions. Quezon Province dominates the list with an overwhelming number of reactions, proving strong support and admiration from Pinoy pageant fans. Support your favorite candidates and leave a comment.